I'm Jessica Taylor with Greene Realtor. We're here in St. Charles today at Taco Madre, this month's Circle of Friends. And we're gonna head inside and talk with Ide and see what they have going on. Hi Ide, thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you for stopping in.
Yeah, can you tell our Circle of Friends a little bit about Taco Madre?
Of course. Taco Madre started in 2014 with the dream of being your go-to taqueria that offers authentic Mexican street tacos and upscale fusion tacos, along with traditional Mexican cuisine. We currently have 5 locations with hopes of expanding more in the near future. We believe that fresh ingredients and love are the recipe to great food. Through the Circle of Friends, we are offering a free fountain drink with the purchase of a 3-taco combo. We hope to see you soon to give you your taco fix.
That sounds great. To learn more about Taco Madre and our Circle of Friends program, please visit our website. And to all of our valued clients, please be on the lookout for this exclusive offer. Thanks, Ide.